Bingo Cache video ads can freeze because the ad itself, the app session, or the device connection is failing, and restarting the app is the fastest first fix. By the end, you'll know how to separate an ad problem from a Bingo Cache problem and which settings to check before reinstalling the app. First, completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Bingo Cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cache away. Then launch the app again and try the same reward or feature that opens a video ad. If the ad freezes again, check your internet connection. Open another app that uses video, such as YouTube, and play a video. If video playback also stops or keeps buffering, the connection may be causing the problem rather than Bingo Cache. If other videos work normally, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, temporarily test Bingo Cache over mobile data. If you're using mobile data, test a reliable Wi-Fi connection. This gives you a simple way to determine whether the ad loading problem is network specific. Next, disable any VPN, private DNS, ad blocking app, or network filtering service that may be active on the device. These tools can interfere with advertising connections used by apps. After disabling one, completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it before testing again. On Android, you can also clear Bingo Cache's cache. Open Settings, select Apps. Choose Bingo Cache, open Storage, and select Clear Cache if your phone provides that option. Clear Cache removes temporary files without using the same reset as clearing the app storage. On iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. Restart the iPhone and test Bingo Cache again. If the problem continues, check the App Store for an available Bingo Cache update. On Android, open Google Play and search for Bingo Cache. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check available updates. An update can resolve problems involving embedded video ads or the app's connection to its advertising service. If the same specific ad freezes repeatedly while other ads or app features work, the problem may be with that particular ad rather than your phone. In that situation, restarting the app may only provide a temporary workaround. Before reinstalling Bingo Cache, confirm that you can sign back into your account. Reinstalling can remove local app data, so don't delete the app until your account access is secure. The key fixes are: restart Bingo Cache, test another video, switch networks, disable VPN or filtering tools, clear the Android cache, and check for an app update. Start with the network test because it quickly tells you whether the problem is broader than Bingo Cache. If this fixed the frozen video ads, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes.